Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to find the size of a hash map in Java. Let me answer. First of all, hash map is one of the predefined classes under collections framework in Java. To find the size of hash map in Java, we have to use a predefined method known as size predefined method using which we can find the size of the hash map collection in Java. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just give some random name for the class and with some main method, I'll create. And inside this main method, I'm going to create a hash map. HashMap, HMap is equal to new HashMap. Like that, I'll create an object for this predefined class in Java known as HashMap. So you can say Control Shift O, it will get imported, or you can hover the mouse on this HashMap and import this from java.util package. Now, there are some warning messages coming. So we have to specify here some less than and greater than symbols beside this HashMap predefined class. And inside this less than greater than symbol, we have to provide the type of the key object and the type of the value object. Okay. Two items will be there here. Okay. Unlike array list has said, right? Here HashMap will contain two elements, key object and value object. Okay. So let's say the key object I would like to have as a string and value object I would like to have as object. Okay. So object means it can store anything. String means only string literals it can store. It cannot store other stuff. Okay. So like that I will create, and here I'll say hash map dot. There is a method known as put method using which we can add the elements to this hash map. Here I need to specify the key which is of string type. So in string literals I'll provide name, and here the value object is object type. I can provide here integer, double, character, boolean, anything I can provide. So here in this case for name, I'll provide Arun Muturi, which is a string literal only. It can accept because it's object. Object can accept anything. Then hashmap dot put off. Here I'll write down name, experience, let's say. So let's say I have 17 years of experience. So I'll put 17 here. The 17 can be accepted by object. 17 is a number. It's a string literal. It's a number. It can be accessed by object. Okay. Hashmap dot put off. I'll say location. I'll say location, and here Hyderabad. I'll say okay. Then hashmap dot put off. Occupation. If I talk about occupation, I'll say it as trainer. Okay. Then hashmap dot put off work status, working. I'll give a Boolean value for the working, like I'm not working anywhere. Okay. So I'll just write down false Boolean value. You see, you can store any type of values here, but key should be in string literal type because string type, but value should be of object type. It can store string literals, integer, Boolean, character, anything. Okay. So I have added some objects to this hash map in key value pairs. Okay. And now I would like to find the size of this hash map. In order to find the size of the hash map, I have to use a predefined method known as size predefined method. Using the object reference of the hash map, I'll call that method dot size. Okay. And it will get you the size of the hash map in the integer format. You see the return type is int. So here I'll say hmap size is equal to, and hover the mouse on this and say create local variable. It will get the size of the, will declare this HMap with the return type of size, which is int type. I would like to print the size of the HMap. System.out.println HMap size. It should print the size of the HMap. So right click run as Java application, and we'll get the size as 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 key value pairs are stored into this hash map. So the size of the hash map is 5. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. That is how to find the size of hash map in Java using size predefined method. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.